showing you all my puppets. I think that. Oh, come on, let's get them. Get this out. This. And here's my toys. So let's see how many we have. Okay, we have 1, 2, Fidgets, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16, 18, 18 we have, 19, 20. I'm gonna show, if Autumn ever looks to this video, I'm gonna be showing her something that she really wants. Well, 2 things. Oh my god. Autumn, I know that you love Stitch and stuff. Look what I have. Do you have this, Autumn? And I know that you're a fan of Stitch. I'm going to do something later. Here's something. 20, 21, 22. Does this count? Yep, that's all I have. This is like the entire pile. Isn't it crazy, Autumn? Look at this. If you ever look, you're gonna love this. It's Stitch. 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 I think in one of your videos, Autumn, you said, I like Stitch. 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 That was my favorite one. If you ever did. I need to clean this. Bro, what is the... Oh, coming up. Let me clean this up. Okay. So now, let's do this. Let's do that. I can just boom, bam, bombastic side. I love that trend. I don't know if I said like, this thing right. Do you guys know who's Melanie Martinez? I don't know how to say her name. Girl, my friend Abby, she's obsessed with Melanie Martinez. Melanie Martinez. Bye, guys.